Hey everybody, so today I'm going to talk a little bit about a very vulnerable subject and something that may have been thought of as taboo in the past, and that is hormones, menopause, and mental health, because I am in the thick of it, and I have been for a while and did not recognize it until recently. So, little backstory: 6 years ago, my boyfriend saw some symptoms in me, and we uncovered that I had a thyroid problem. Now, mind you, I had been to multiple doctors for multiple years prior to this, complaining about the same exact symptoms, and nobody uncovered it until I went to a specialist. So I was then diagnosed with hypothyroidism, and I have been on thyroid medicine and will be for the rest of my life to manage it. But just advocate for yourself and find the right provider, because you know when you are not feeling good, looking good, sleeping. So, of course, being on thyroid medicine for a while and getting it finally dialed in, I was feeling good. My hair was coming back. I was sleeping better. My eyes weren't as dry anymore. Most of my symptoms were resolved, and I continue to maintenance those with adjustments that are needed. So now you fast forward, and I had been on thyroid medicine for 3 years at this point, and I get pregnant with my last child at 40. And after giving birth to Thor, which, by the way, was the healthiest I've been when I got pregnant, the healthiest pregnancy I had, the healthiest labor and quickest labor that I had, and then boom, postpartum depression hit me, but I didn't really know that I was going through it because I hadn't experienced that with my first two children. So I kind of pushed that to the side, was still continuing my thyroid therapy, and then I realized something's not right. So after giving birth and about 8 months of dealing with this kind of yo-yo up and down, I go to another provider because my old one is no longer actually practicing. And they get me on track with a new dose of thyroid because my body has changed since having my last child. So starting to feel better, starting to lose weight, things are kind of all getting in line again. And I go for about 6 months. And then I realize, there's something more than just my thyroid happening. And, people think 43 is a little bit early to go through menopause and have any issues, but I got to tell you, there are people in their 30s that are going through menopause. Hormone imbalance is not something that you control. It's your body over time just gets out of whack. So I've been on the struggle bus for a little while now. I've been depressed. I've been angry. It's not Jessica. This isn't me. And Eric, once again, identifies it. And he was like, babe, your hormones you're out of whack. Let's think back to when you actually felt good, what was going on. And long story short, I'm about to start a journey, which I hope you guys will follow me with. And I can maybe advocate with you, for you, open up your eyes to maybe something that you guys are feeling. So I'm about to start on the journey of bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, also known as HRT. And it's going to be an exciting one. I think it might be a long one, but I hope you stick around.